how to spot treat undercar rust before winter. Winter is coming, and while most of us check body panels and doors for rust, the underside of our vehicles often gets overlooked. Even small scratches or exposed metal on floor pans, frame rails, and suspension components can quickly turn into serious corrosion. Rust doesn't just affect looks, it weakens critical areas. Spot treating rusted areas now can save you costly repairs later. Not all rust requires full restoration. Spot treatment is perfect for winter prep. It stops existing rust from spreading, protects bare metal from moisture and salt, and minimizes future repair costs. Today we'll cover two KBS Coatings products that are perfect for this purpose, KBS Rust Converter and KBS RustSeal. First, let's take a look at KBS Rust Converter, which is a tannic acid-based spray that quickly neutralizes rust, converting it into a hard bluish-black paintable surface. It's ideal for small or large rust spots. Before applying Rust Converter, check the rusted area. It should be fully rusted with no bare metal or paint showing. Rust Converter won't adhere to non-rusted surfaces. Remove loose rust with wire brush or 320 grit sandpaper. Clean the area with KBS Klean, which removes dirt, grease, and grime without leaving residue that can hurt adhesion. Mix KBS Klean with hot water, scrub, rinse, and dry thoroughly. Detailed instructions for KBS Klean can be found on the KBS website. Shake the Rust Converter well for at least 1 minute. Spray 8 to 12 inches away from the surface in even and overlapping strokes. Rust Converter dries to the touch in 10 minutes and can be recoated or painted after 24 hours. It can also be left as is for protection. For long-term protection, KBS RustSeal is ideal. It's a flexible, moisture-cured 1K urethane rust-preventive coating that permanently seals both bare metal and treated rust. Sealing metal against moisture and corrosion, RustSeal provides a smooth, professional finish that won't crack, chip, or peel, and the coating is available in 11 colors. Start by removing loose rust or paint with a wire brush or 320 grit sandpaper. Light surface rust can remain. If there's well-adhered paint remaining, scuff it as well. Clean the area with KBS Klean. Mix KBS Klean with hot water, scrub, rinse, and dry thoroughly. Detailed instructions for KBS Klean can be found on the KBS website. Next comes RustBlast, which dissolves rust and etches the surface for improved RustSeal adhesion. Spray and let RustBlast sit for 30 minutes to 2 hours depending on the amount of rust to be removed. Keep wet and scrub intermittently, then rinse and dry. Keep in mind RustSeal can be applied directly over light surface rust treated with RustBlast. The rust doesn't have to be completely removed, thereby reducing labor time. You'll see a white powdery residue will remain after RustBlast, and that's fine. It shouldn't be wiped off. Detailed instructions for RustBlast can be found on the KBS website. Apply RustSeal with a brush, roller, or spray equipment. A brush works best for spot repairs. Apply a minimum of 3 even coats, waiting 2 to 6 hours between coats. Under normal conditions, the coated surface can be handled after 1 day, with full cure achieved in at least 7 days. Detailed instructions for RustSeal can be found on the KBS website. Once cured, RustSeal can be top coated with KBS Blacktop or another paint if desired. Quick recap: Rust Converter quickly neutralizes rust economically. RustSeal encapsulates treated or bare metal for a durable, flexible, long-lasting barrier. Winter can be tough on your vehicle's underside, but spot treating rust today prevents costly damage tomorrow. With KBS Rust Converter and RustSeal, you can stop and prevent rust. Don't wait, prep your car or truck before winter is here. KBS products are proudly made in the USA.